Hey folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. Today I'm bringing you another do-it-yourself video. This video follows the automatic no waste, no spill feeder video. I've built a similar type of apparatus to hold the oyster shells, and you can see here it's really just pieces of ABS. I've got a coupler here that expands from, a smaller size to a larger size. All I've got is a 90 here, and then a 90 here, and then a straight piece, and then this expansion adapter, and then a straight piece. I don't have a cover on it because there's nothing that's going to get up top here and land on it. They can't roost on it because it's too high, and it just wouldn't be comfortable for them to stand on anyway. And I fill my oyster shells in from the top, and what happens is it falls to the bottom, and they only eat what they want out of there, and as they consume from here, it falls down the tube, but it won't overflow even if the tube is full. The reason why I made it with those particular dimensions is because that's the scrap that I had lying around. So I just went through my scrap pile, put those pieces together, and that's how it ended up. I don't even have it attached on the floor, just, leaned up against the wall. And I have this piece of wire around it with the screw into the wall. And so that if I want to, I can just remove it. And if I want to put it back, I just put it back like that. So it's that easy and very effective. In the summertime, my chickens don't bother with oyster shells anyway. They get enough grit from outside. But in the winter, I'm expecting they'll use it. So yeah, there's a do-it-yourself oyster shell dispenser. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and good luck with your do-it-yourself projects.